Assalamu alaikum friends, I hope you are all fine. Today in XENEA Wallet new quiz have arrived in Spur protocol section and I will provide you all the quiz answers. First of all, click on mission button. Now click Spur protocol section. Here you see you have answered 10 over 15. Now 5 new quizzes has arrived in this section and I will provide you all 5 answers. Click on start quiz. Here you see quiz number 11 over 15, a question and total 4 options. The correct option of the quiz number 11 is option number B. Click on it and click submit. Here you see I got 100 gems as a correct option. Now click on continue. Here quiz number 12, a question and total 4 options. Option number C is the correct option of quiz number 12. Click on it and click submit button. Here you see I got 100 gems as a correct. Now click on continue. Now you see quiz number 13. The correct answer of quiz number 13 is option number 2. Click on it and click submit button. Again I got 100 gems as a correct option. Click on continue. Now you see quiz number 14 and the correct option number 1. Click on it and click submit button. Here you see again I got 100 gems as a correct. Now here you see the last 15th quiz and the correct option is option number 4. Click on it and click submit button. Here you see again I got 100 gems as a correct option. So I will provide you all 5 quiz correct options. Hopefully you enjoying the video. Kindly like and share my video, and if you still not subscribe my channel then subscribe it. Goodbye friends.